Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have some more transfer foils from Jelly Nails 1. She sent this over to me. It is a spring and Valentine's Day mixture. So I'm very excited to open this up and share it with you. So I'll just go down the rows and kind of show you everything. So this first one is a Hello Spring. It's got some flowers, some birds. I love this like corner flowering, and it's got some little hearts. So you can definitely take different parts of this, use it for spring, use it for Valentine's. This one is like a tribal, oh, it's upside down. It's like a tribal sort of, like dream catchers and arrows, and I love the colors of this one. So cute. And this one is a good one like year round, whenever you want to do dream catcher. This one has some good like heart balloons on it, some lovebirds, and we got some very like colorful, bright flowers. Some, I don't know, are these lilies? I don't know my flowers. Oh, look, there's a rose bouquet. Cute. So a lot of these have a lot of designs going out, but what's nice about that is you can just cut out the parts you want to use, and you have tons of options. This one's got some cute ones on it. I love the little like lady in her dress with the hat. Cupcake. We got some love hearts, different flowers. I love both the purple one as well as this. We got some more flowers. Then it starts to repeat a little bit. Look, there's a little present. This one has like blues and purples, which are super pretty. You could do like April shower type like blue flowers. This one, we got some more blue flowers on it. I love like the little, that's like the perfect size too, to put on like the corner. It matches my blue nails now. If I just put a little corner flower in there. We got some words on here. I like these blue roses. They're really pretty. This one, we got some butterflies and some other florals. Oh, look, we got some cacti, which are cute. I love the butterflies. This one says succulent garden. So it's got lots of different succulents. Save the date. Those are cute. This one, I see a sign says just married. Got some roses. Again, I love like the floral bouquets in here. We got some singular roses. There's a couple different like love hearts. I love the red butterfly on this one. And I love the color scheme of these pink flowers with like the blue leaves. Oh, those are pretty. I'm so excited for spring. I don't know about everyone else, but I am ready for spring and warmer weather. I am a warm weather kind of gal. So that was all of them there, and we have quite the range. Different tones of flowers. We have different ones we can use for Valentine's Day as well. We got the succulents, the dream catchers. It's a very good variety box to take you from Valentine's Day into spring and even into summer. Like some of the brighter florals you can still use into summer. The butterflies would be good for summer. I mean, we have some brighter flowers. The dream catchers would be good summer design too. So we got a very good variety in here. So thank you, Paola, for sending these over to me. I'm so excited to try some different designs out. Light Elegance is about to release, actually in a couple of days from filming this video, they're about to release their spring collection. So of course, you know, I'm going to buy their spring collection, and hopefully I'm hoping they pair really well with these florals and I can use them together and I'll be set for spring. And make sure you guys go check her out, Jelly Nails 1. I'll have a link to her shop down below, and make sure to use my discount code Amy 10%. She has tons of seasonal stuff. I was looking, she has tons of Valentine's Day stuff right now. Different like heart gems, and she has a set that's like all Valentine's for the transfer foils as well, and then she has lots of like year-round stuff as well. But I love seeing her seasonal stuff, and I know a lot of nail techs and clients as well love the seasonal stuff, so definitely go check her out. And I'm gonna play around with these a little bit and I'll do a mini tutorial here for you guys. All right. So this box of foils is called the Colorful Romance box, which it definitely is colorful, and it has those romantic elements for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going through and kind of picking out the designs I want to use and getting them cut out. And the first color I'm going to use is Wet Incarnations. This is from the spring collection last year, and it's this really nice medium shade of pink. I don't know, it definitely it's like a Valentine's Day kind of pink. So I'm going to put this one on 3 of the nails. I'm working on tips here. I'm going to create a little set. This next color I'm going to use is Light Elegance's Talk Dirt to Me. I believe, again, from last year's spring collection. It's a good neutral background that's good for springtime because it's got that warmer tone to it. I'm going to paint this on the remaining 2 nails. So I go back in and do a second coat of Talk Dirt to Me. Now I'm gonna go in with Bouquet Day from Light Elegance. They had released, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago, a Valentine's Day duo, and this was the glitter, and I love this glitter. Like, it is the perfect Valentine's Day glitter, and it's got different shades of pink and white, and they're like matte glitters, and I just love this glitter so much. And I don't get the chance to use it that often, which is unfortunate, but I pulled it out for this design, and so I'm gonna do one of the pink nails fully colored with this glitter, and then on the other 2 pink nails I do a second coat of What in Carnations. And now I'm gonna go in, and before I put my foils down, I go in with the foil adhesive gel. This is again from Jelly Nails 1, and you want to do a super thin coat of this. I know my first video working with this, I was really struggling. You'll see that I actually got better this time. I don't know what I did differently, but maybe I just needed to sit on it. But I do 3 of the nails, super thin coats of this, 1 pink and then the 2 nude shades. And then Paola let me know that she does 90 seconds in her LED lamp for these. I have a UV lamp, so I'm waiting for her to get back to me. If she gets back to me before this goes up, I'll insert the time frame in here. Otherwise, I'll let you guys know next time. But while those are curing, I take my items that I cut out, and I really cut them out individually now. And then to apply these, I am going to use these angle tweezers that are from her shop as well. I love these tweezers. If you guys didn't see my unboxing, I was very excited about them. And I'm still very excited about them. I think everyone needs these tweezers. But for the transfer foils, on one of the nude shades, I take this balloon heart and I just apply it right in the middle. And you want to make sure you really rub it in. I still haven't found the best technique to getting it fully all the way on. I've just been using the tweezers as of right now, and I have pretty good luck with it. There was a couple spots I missed on the balloon, but you can't really tell unless you're looking super up close at it. On this second nude shade, I take this word love. It's kind of like a hot pink shade. I put it towards the top but in the middle, and then I found a little heart to go with it, so I'm going to apply this right under that. And then on the pink nail that I did, I went ahead and put these lovebirds on it because I just thought they were so cute and adorable. And I do want to mention that I did cure all of the nails at once, so I wasn't finding that you needed to rush or do them one at a time or anything. I think doing them all together is fine. And then I wanted to tie that glitter in a little bit more, I think just because I wanted to use it some more. So I actually go around the lovebirds and I scatter some of the glitter around it, and it looks super cute. I love specifically how this nail turned out. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here is how the nails came out. I think as a set, they look really well, super cute, and they were easy to do. That's the beauty of the foils, is that they're really easy to do, quick to add on to the service, to add some nail art. I do like hand painting, but for me to hand paint these little birds and then go all the details would have taken me a long time, and even stamping can take a little bit of time, but the transfer foils, I have to say, are the quickest way to do nail art. And so you guys will have to let me know down below how you liked how I picked out the different designs and kind of made a Valentine set with it. Let me know which foils you want me to use in upcoming designs. Definitely excited for some floral ones, but I definitely want to do some Valentine's nails on myself as well. So make sure you're subscribed, stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying my foil videos, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!